everyone, welcome to Brisimalos. This time we are going to unpack and review Ecovacs D-Boat vacuum cleaner. So this is an RD product. So this looks pretty good. So let's see the features of this one. So it's actually map your home, customize your cleaning. So it says that you can map the area of cleaning, and then it includes multi-floor mapping that enables cleaning all floors. Make your mop and broom jealous. Move freely through your home. So it says that it can cross obstacles up to 20 mm with height of 93 mm. So we'll see how this works. So it has got an app. You can download it from App Store, Google Play Store. It works with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. So it has a technology for detecting carpet, smart home compatibility, scheduling, and what else. We can just open it, explore it, and see. Okay, so now let's go through the items. So this one is the docking station. So you have to fix this on the wall, or you can keep it for the time being. This is a power cable for that one. So this goes here. So what happens is, once the cleaning is over, it will automatically go and sit automatically and start getting charged. Or once the power is almost drained, then it will automatically go and sit here and automatically charge. These are all called side brushes, so which goes here in these slots. So there are actually four side brushes came with this one. So this is actually the suction. So there are two options. So one already came with this, and then this one is the second option. So this is called direct suction option, and this is called main brush option. So you can remove this from here just like this. You can take this out, you can clean it, and then you can place this back, and then you can just put this back. Okay, the same way you can replace this with this. So you'll remove this one, and then this goes in this place. So these are two options. One is called main brush. This is called main brush, and this is called direct suction option. So we'll cover what it is and what is this for. Okay. Now this one. This is washable microfiber cleaning cloth. So you can take this out and then wash it, dry it, and then put it back. So this goes here. So if you see this one here, so you can open this one here. You can fill water here. So you can just open this here and then fill the water here, close it back. Then this one actually goes here like this, and then this goes inside. So this is actually the mop option. So once the cleaning is over, or whenever you want, you can just take this out and then separate this cloth, clean it, and then put it back. It came with disposable cleaning cloth, 1 2 3 4 5 of them. So basically it goes here, so you can remove this one and then you can actually place it here. Right. Talking about main brush option, this is main brush and then the direct suction option. So as per them, so main brush is best choice for deep cleaning, and then the suction option is for daily cleaning, and this option is designed to pick up hair without clogging, so it's ideal for pet owners. So this is a filter here, so you can remove this filter and then clean it. So you can just press here, just open like this, so you can take this out. So there's an option, you can just take this out from here. Okay, so you can take this out and clean it. There's a spare one here, so this comes as like spare, so you can just take it one, clean it, then you can keep it dry. You can use it for the time being, you can use the other one. Okay, so this is the on button here, so on off, and then Wi-Fi. So we need to actually install the app, so we'll go through that one and do the cleaning. This is for actually wiping this dust in this filter, so you can use this to wipe the dust in this filter. This fits here. So this has got so this end, as I mentioned, this is for cleaning that filter. This end has got a knife kind of thing, so this you can use to take the hair out of this if it's stuck in here. So you can use this part to take the hair out of it, or even from here. Okay, so now next setup is actually installing this Ecovacs Home in your mobile. So let's do that now. Okay, so we just clicked on register and we entered email ID and password. Then after that it went to this window. So it's asking to add new Ecovacs robot. Okay, so you have to select the Ecovacs robot model. So particular model is Osmo 920. So enable Wi-Fi, location service, so I'm seeing while using the app. Okay, so this is supporting only 2.4 gigahertz of bandwidth in modem, so you need to make sure that you are connected to 2.4. So just you need to enter the user Wi-Fi password here on the device. So just open this panel here and then switch on the device here. Okay, so I have switched on the robot. Next,
Mapping plate has been installed.
so press reset button for 1 second. So this is a reset button. Press reset button for 1 second.
I'm ready for network setup.
So I have heard the sound. Press next. So now it's trying to connect this mobile with the robot. And connection is made. Okay, so you select Ecovac from here.
Connected. Please go back to Ecovacs app
Now
to continue the setup.
you go back. Then it says connecting the robot. So make sure that you are not switching to any other window. Just be on this window until this is complete. Name your robot. So just give a name. Okay, so you have option return to charge. So let's see what happens if we, I'm just closing this window. So let's see what happens when we press return to charge.
I'm returning to the charging dock. I'm starting to charge.
Okay, so it's automatically returned to the charger and start charging. You have option under smart cleaning, auto cleaning. Yeah, what else we have? So let's see under or smart cleaning. Please turn on continuous cleaning to ensure that every task is complete. Turn on continuous cleaning. Okay, so you can actually set a time. So if you set that time, it should not actually run on that particular time. That's what it means. So it's saying do not disturb. So you can put do not disturb, so it means it won't run on that particular timing. So actually it automatically maps. So what it's doing, it's going from one end to the other end automatically, and then it actually draws a map here. You see, it's going around all the obstacles and then mapping it itself. And it shows here area cleaned is 1 meter square, duration is 1 minute. So what we observed, it's actually covering all the areas, like it's overlapping the previous area. So it looks like it's not missing any part, any floor area. But the other thing we noticed that the mopping is not working in the carpet. So when the mop cloth is wet, it's not able to move in the carpet. But overall, otherwise, it's, as you see here, it overlaps and all good. Mopping, I'm not sure whether it's expected that way, so to just clarify that one, I'll post if I get an update in the description. But maybe it is just expected to work only in the tiles area.